You're watching Hawaii News Now Sunrise.
Welcome back. At 6:20, AHA Pūnana Leo has implemented strict protocols to welcome students back to class. Lacey Denise is live in Mānoa with more. Good morning, Lacey.
Hi, good morning, Steve. We made a lot of new friends here at school at Pūnana Leo o Mānoa. I'm here with Kumu Kahoku Lindsay Asing. He's going to be our partner this morning, taking us around the campus and sharing with us all the different COVID-19 safety protocols in place. Good morning, Kumu. Thank you for waking up a little early this morning to be with us. Can you first start off by telling us how many students are doing in-person learning now?
Yeah, so here at Pūnana Leo Mānoa, we have enrollment of 20 keiki. Usually we have 25, but due to COVID, just throwing everybody different challenges, we have 20 this year. And it's been great. It's been really nice.
Yeah, how has the response been from students?
The response has been good. It really comes down to just talking to your keiki and really explaining to them how we can all do our part to make sure that we're all safe and everything's clean and we try not to share our germs.
Yeah, well, speaking of clean, as soon as we stepped in the front door, we can already see the changes here in the classroom. Can you walk us through some of them?
Yeah, absolutely. So typical, all things COVID, we have to keep our distance, right? So that means placing our keiki inches away from each other, separate cubby spaces, and even enhanced cleaning. So we're always wiping down the tables, we're always washing our hands, sanitizing, temperature checks, all the things that we need to do in response to COVID, to not let it get the best of us.
Right. And speaking of kids coming to school, I also want to mention that enrollment is also beginning for the next session. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, so we are currently in our enrollment period for AHA Pūnana Leo. There are 13 sites statewide, so whether you're on Hawaii Island or Kauai, there's a Pūnana Leo for you to involve your ohana and really join the movement of Olelo Hawaii.
I love it. Kumu Kahoku, don't go too far.
Okay.
He's going to be with us throughout the morning, and we'll expand a little bit more on that enrollment process. Coming up next, we'll be talking about the new distance learning program that the school has implemented. But first, Steve, before we go, I want to tell you a sentence that we want to teach you.
Okay.
So if you could repeat after me, we're going to say, make make au.
Make make au.
Ya.
Ya.
Tom Brady.
What does that mean? Oh, Tom Brady.
I didn't hear it.
Tom Brady. What does this
So
mean?
you said that you like Tom Brady.
Oh.
Okay, that's all. We'll take it back to you in the studio.
This is what you come up with? My goodness. Anyway, good job, Lacey. Good job. Good to see you. All right, and on that note, I think we'll hand things over to Billy. Billy, save us.